Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw an invitation on LinkedIn. This is a really useful skill to have, especially when you've sent connection requests by mistake or simply changed your mind about connecting with someone. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top navigation bar of your LinkedIn homepage. You'll see several options there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled My Network. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where LinkedIn houses all your connection-related activities, including pending invitations, suggestions for new connections, and people you're following. Once you're in the My Network section, shift your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a sidebar with various options. Look for the one that says Following and click on it. Here's something interesting to know about LinkedIn's functionality. Whenever you click Connect to send an invitation to someone, LinkedIn automatically sets you to follow that person. This means their updates and posts will appear in your feed even before they've accepted your connection request. Now, from this following list, you'll need to locate the specific person whose invitation you want to withdraw. Scroll through the list and click on their profile once you've found them. This will take you to their profile page, where you can manage your interaction with them. On their profile, look for a button that says Pending. This button indicates that you have a connection request waiting for their response. Click on Pending, and a small menu will appear with options related to your invitation. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled Withdraw. Click on it to officially retract your connection request. This action immediately cancels the invitation, and the person will no longer see your pending request in their notifications. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your invitation on LinkedIn. This simple process gives you full control over your connection requests and helps you manage your professional network more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.